It be like saying, na me we dey wait for.
No, no be me.
You see this morning, I don't pray God. May He give me better girl when be like you. I can say don't bring you come now. Anyway, waiting be your name.
My name is Watermelon, but people call me Water Baby.
See, watermelon, water baby. My name na Garden Egg, but people call me the Garden Man. You see, I love you well, I like you. I want me we to be one. I don't pray God say, may give me better girl. So you don't get here, they wait for me. I go pray God, I go thank Him for bringing you here. So you see, only me go finish 6 cups of garri. My papa girl the music. If the music spoil, only me they push her if you not restart. I pray to God for bringing you. Papa God, I thank you well for bringing this girl. I pray for black girl, you not give me. I pray for yellow girl, you not give me. Now this pink girl, now you can't give me. I pray, maybe we can live forever as one. We no go depart. Nothing will spoil our relationship. I go love her. She go.